If it's messed up text, you can just edit it and put it like that. Not bad. Actually, not bad at all. And then download. And that's how you would use that. Same thing with any of these. These are actually pretty good images, and you know, same thing with these. How it's like messed up here. So I would just download it, take it to Canva, and do the same process again. So let's go back to this and see if those videos generated. Okay, they're fast. Let's see what we got. That was good. I'll take it. I may make some money from that video. Ooh, not bad. It actually sounds like she's speaking into a microphone. That's crazy. So yeah, guys, you'll be able to see these and review these in it below. I'm sorry you wasn't able to hear it. I gotta figure out how that works. One of these videos says it took too long to generate, so it failed. I don't know which one it was.